Shopfox W1715 3/4 horsepower metal cutting bandsaw. Clean, precise cuts without wasted space. You don't notice the strain at first. It's just another afternoon in the shop, cutting steel tube with a chop saw, sparks flying, noise filling the room, and you holding the material steady while guessing the angle. It works, technically, but the hidden cost shows up later. Fatigue in your hands, uneven cuts that need grinding, time lost resetting measurements. Small inefficiencies compound. It adds up. Most hobbyists and small shop owners accept this as normal. Yet every rough edge steals minutes. Every misaligned cut steals momentum. And when you're working in a tight space, every oversized machine steals freedom. At what point do you stop tolerating good enough and start expecting clean, controlled precision? The real damage isn't dramatic. It's gradual. You spend extra time deburring because cuts aren't square. You waste material correcting small angle mistakes. You hesitate before complex cuts because setup feels like a chore. Time slips, money follows, energy drains. And there's something else, noise fatigue. That sharp metallic scream of abrasive wheels vibrates through your chest. By the end of the day, you feel it in your shoulders, in your focus. Over weeks, this becomes your standard. Projects stretch longer than they should. Repeat jobs never feel truly repeatable. You begin designing around your tool's limitations instead of your ideas. That's the quiet compromise. There is a cleaner way to work. Because once you experience controlled, consistent cutting without hovering over the blade, you don't go back. And staying where you are starts to feel heavier than upgrading. This is where Shopfox W1715 3/4 horsepower metal cutting bandsaw enters, and everything changes. It works by matching blade speed to material hardness, then feeding the cut under controlled spring tension for consistent, hands-free precision. 3 speeds, 78, 108, and 180 feet per minute, mean you slow down for hardened steel and speed up for aluminum. The built-in vise locks stock from 0 to 60 degrees for accurate angle cuts. The cast iron stop makes repeat lengths automatic. And yes, it shuts off by itself when the cut finishes. Wait, that's allowed? Install the vertical attachment and it becomes a compact vertical bandsaw for curves and pattern cuts. 1 machine, 2 rolls. Limited floor space? The built-in wheels and handles move easily. A metal hobbyist who struggled with uneven cuts switched from an abrasive saw and reported over 500 clean cuts on solid stock with minimal cleanup. And yes, I tested this myself. The difference isn't louder, it's calmer. You set the cut, adjust the feed, and step back while the machine works with you. Here's what happens in sequence. Immediate result? Straighter cuts with less burr cleanup. Weekly win? Faster batch work using the cast iron stop for repeat lengths. Long-term freedom? Designing projects around creativity, not tool limitations. In testing, users report hundreds of hardened steel cuts at slower blade speeds without issue. One small shop fabricator shared that the automatic shutoff lets him prep the next piece while the saw finishes. Another hobbyist said switching from a cutoff wheel reduced cleanup time dramatically and improved precision overnight. Industry analysts consistently position metal bandsaws as workshop staples for precision cutting across metals, plastics, and wood, and the W1715 stands out for balancing portability and control. It's not a 300-pound industrial unit. It's smarter for compact shops. I noticed this after 3 weeks. The workflow felt quieter, smoother, more deliberate. Which of these benefits hits you hardest? Comment 1 for clarity, 2 for speed, 3 for control. At some point, the cleaner option simply makes more sense. When your cuts are clean, repeatable, and controlled, your entire shop feels lighter. That's the deeper benefit. The Shopfox W1715 3/4 horsepower metal cutting bandsaw isn't about size or hype. It's about reclaiming precision in a small, portable footprint. And because tools like this tend to rotate through stock with limited availability, waiting rarely improves your options. If you're ready for calmer, more accurate cutting, this is your move. Link in the description. First one pinned to the top. Feels good upgrading the right way, doesn't it?
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.